When I decided to study animation, I searched for the best institute to kickstart my career, and that's when I found AVGCI.
Hello there, I'm Mohammad Numan. I was on my way of pursuing my dream course, animation, in the AVGCI. Come on, let's follow. We have security desk where every student must enroll their entry and exit time. That's how we keep track of our students who are in and out. And here we have lobby area where you can wait for your friends. Up next, we have reception desk where you can get all your information regarding institute and your class and courses up here. Follow me. Here we have gaming room where you can game with your friends and relax here. We have a green mat studio also where you can shoot regarding your VFX projects and all. This is where the fun begins. And next to that we have spacious and large theater room where we can view and execute our video projects which are crucial for your cinematography and filmmaking. Here at AVGCI, they provide you with filmmaking, cinematography, photography, script writing courses too, where you can learn everything about filmmaking and everything about itself. Here you can get your career guidance and counseling, and that's our placement cell where you can get all your opportunities and big companies. Here you can get all your answers and all your suggestions which requires your future precision and your future success. And what's even more amazing is the personalized guidance we get where we can know about everything about industry in and out. And this is our art class. This is where I've learned basics of sketching and 2D animation, and our world-class teachers provides us with excellent information that's easy to understand and makes your future bright. The digital classrooms in our AVGCI is top-notch. It keeps us engaged even when we are not physically on the campus. And this is where we work on our group projects and assignments in our free time or after classes, which enables us to be cooperative and commemorative with our fellow students while having education and fun. And this is our VFX class, and let's go to my master class. Shh, there's a class going on. Come on. This is the 3D assets and animation class where you can learn everything about animation and 3D motion graphics related to everything that industry wants you to be. And this is my personalized space and my designated computer where I've been working for a long time, and I've done many projects. As you can see right now, this is the project I'm working on, and I have everything I needed for my personalized space and my mind. The faculty here is not just experienced, they are industry professionals who provide hands-on training with everything they know and share their real-world experiences. They make sure we are ready for the industry when we go out in the real world performing our jobs. It's incredible to know that the training we get here makes us the absolute professionals in whatever the course we choose. Here at AVGCI, we have state-of-art lab facilities and cutting-edge technology in both hardware and software, which is crucial for your success in animation. And I'm really privileged to study in AVGCI. AVGCI isn't just an institute, it's a platform where your dreams come true.